Rajya Sabha MP Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi has stated that the NPP lost the Lok Sabha election in Meghalaya due to the issue of reservation policy. He said that Khasi Jaintia Hills region wanted a review of the reservation policy, whereas Garo Hills did not wanted any review, even as he added that he appreciates Chief Minister for taking a bold stand on the matter, even though the party lost the election. Kharlukhi meanwhile also made it clear that he is not going to contest the Rajya Sabha elections again.
This side, they want to review. They look at us as if we are anti. That side, they don't want to review, and they look at the chief minister as who cater to the need of the Khasis. But I really. I really appreciate my CM. There are times in politics, for the sake of the unity of the state, it's better that we lose election. But as a statesman, you have to decide what is right.
Vehicular traffic